This here is my Budgie's cage. Right there's the daddy. His name is Mojo. And here are all the babies with the mom inside. Her name is Kiwi, and there's 5 babies. They all, I think they're from 21 to 28 days old. And pretty soon they're going to start to fledge, but if you notice where the nesting box is located, it's about 1/4 of the way down from the cage. Now I've been trying to move it even closer towards the bottom for when they fledge, and Kiwi doesn't want to go near the box. It seems that Kiwi likes where the box is placed. Now what should I do in this situation? There's Kiwi there's the mom. Now if anybody can help me out, to let me know if I should move the box down to the bottom of the cage. And I also want to put that bedding and litter corn stuff at the bottom too, just like what they have in the pet stores, so that should be good for them. But if anybody can just help me out, that'd be great. Bye. Oh look,